No, back, donkey. No, back. Oh, hello there. Good morning, or in English, good morning. My name is Dr. Kimber Straussenburg, or you can call me Teacher Kim. Today we are going to learn something very exciting. We are going to talk about physical changes and chemical changes. Everyone, let's say the word. Say the word physical changes. Physical changes. Yes. And the other type of change is called chemical changes. Everyone say chemical changes. Chemical changes. Yes. So what are they? Well, we are going to talk about each one. First, we are going to talk about physical changes. So, in a physical change, we need to learn two words. Words that you already know. Everyone say shape. Shape. Yes. This is the shape of a star. Here is a chicken. The shape of the chicken is the line that we can draw around the chicken. That is the shape. And now everyone say size. Size. For size, some things are very big. For example, my big pet. Whoa, a donkey is quite a big animal. Oh, back, donkey. No. Later, donkey, later. Whoa. And some things are very small. For example, this little chocolate chip. Yes. So when we talk about physical changes, we need to talk about shape and size. In a physical change, the shape and the size can change. So, for example, if I am going to cut this piece of paper, the paper is changing. It is a physical change. Is the shape of the paper the same? No. Is the size of the paper the same? No, it is much smaller. Is it still paper? Yes, it is still paper, and I can make the change be undone. I can put the paper back together, and I can tape or glue the paper. It is still the same material. Or another example, I have this balloon. I blew the balloon. The carbon dioxide that I breathed out, I breathed into the balloon. So there is a bunch of carbon dioxide inside the balloon. Now I am going to let it undone. Whoa! And the balloon, the size, it's much smaller. It's all wrinkly. But is it still a balloon? Yes. What about the gas inside, the carbon dioxide? Now it is around me in all the air, but it is still the same. So in a physical change, the shape and the size can change, but it is still the same material. Okay, next, let's talk about chemical changes. So again, everyone say chemical changes. Chemical changes. Okay, so chemical changes are a little more complicated than physical changes. Everything around us, the matter that surrounds us, everything is made of particles. Everyone say the word particles. Particles. Yes, even this chicken is made of these teeny tiny particles that we cannot see. The air that surrounds us, the water that we drink, is all made of particles. And we can make particles even smaller. We can break it down into atoms. Everyone say atom. Atom. So everything that surrounds us is made of atoms. Well, in a chemical change, if we change the atoms, we rearrange them. Everyone say this word, rearranged. Rearranged. So if we actually change the atom, we move the particles around, we change it. It is a chemical change. And how do we know if we have a chemical change? Well, the change cannot be undone. Everyone say undone. Here is a puzzle. We are taking the pieces away from the puzzle. It's being undone. That is a physical change because I can put the pieces back. But in a chemical change, no, it cannot be undone. It is a new substance. And sometimes in a chemical change, there will be odor. Everyone say odor. For example, my old salad. Oh, odor. Odor is the smell. It usually just not a good smell. It can be, but usually no. Okay, so what are some examples of chemical changes? Well, one example is my old salad. Before it was nice and fresh and it was good to eat, but then it sat in the sun and the air came and there was a chemical change. It is no longer the same salad. It is different. I do not want to eat it. Before, yummy. But now, no, it is old. If I eat it, I will get sick. There is an odor and maybe the color is a little different. This is a chemical change. Another example of a chemical change is when I eat something. This cracker, I'm eating a cracker. Eventually the cracker I'm going to swallow and it will go down into my stomach. And inside my stomach, it is going to digest. And all of the acids and bacteria are going to eat away at the cracker and they're going to change the cracker. The cracker no longer is going to be cracker. I would not want to eat it after I've digested it. And I have one more example of a chemical change. I need a glass and I need some baking soda and I need some vinegar. When I add these, I will have a chemical reaction. So let us try. Right, here is my glass. I will add the baking soda. Okay, here is some baking soda in the bottom of the glass. And next, I will add the vinegar. And let's see what happens. Whoa! Explosion! This is a chemical reaction. It is no longer the same material. If I smell, it is slight odor. That is another example of a chemical reaction. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let's review one more time. Everyone say physical changes. Physical changes. In a physical change, what things can change? Well, the shape can change. Everyone say shape. And the size can change. Everyone say size. Yes, very good. And the other type of change, everyone say chemical changes. Chemical changes. Yes, in a chemical change, actually the smallest particles, the atoms, are rearranged. So everyone say particles. Particles even break it down smaller and we get atom. They are actually, the atoms are Rearranged. Everyone say rearranged. Yes. And a chemical change cannot be undone. Everyone say undone. It cannot for a chemical change, but physical change, yes. Chemical change, no. And oftentimes when we have a chemical change, the color may change and there may also be an odor. Everyone say odor. Yes, very good job. So for now, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye.